This is NOAA All Hazards Radio, serving for your area. The current time is 3:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Today, partly cloudy in the mid-upper 30s. Producing rain 15%. The lower humidity 7. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio, serving for your place and surrounding areas. The current time is 6:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Today, partly cloudy. Producing rain 33%. Service in New York has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for the following counties: Oceanside, Island Park, Barnum Island, and Long Beach. Effective at 6:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time today. Effective until 8:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time today. What line of thunderstorms are expected? Severely extremely dangerous storms will damage to homes and cities across the warned areas are possible. These thunderstorms are also expected to impact for the following locations: Freeport, Roosevelt, Uniondale, and Baldwin counties. Hail damages to roofs, siding, and trees are also expected, including people and animals outdoors will be injured. Locations impacted include Woodmere, Lawrence, Darnhurst, Hewlett, and East Rockaway. Repeating, the National Weather Service in New York has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for the following counties: Oceanside, Island Park, Barnum Island, and Long Beach.
has issued a tornado warning for Oceanside County in eastern New York, Long Beach County in eastern New York, Long Island County in eastern New York, Island Park County in eastern New York, effective until 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar have indicated a severe thunderstorm over Myrtle Beach and moving east in 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado at 35 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damages to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near East Rockaway around 7:05 p.m., Lynbrook around 7:49 p.m., Woodmere around 8:10 p.m., Malvern around 8 p.m., Hewitt around 6:33 p.m., Baldwin around 6:14 p.m. Interstate 37 between mile markers 86. Interstate 49 between mile markers 84. Interstate 91 between mile markers 212 and 236. Interstate 50 mile between mile markers 98. Interstate 62 between mile markers 120. This tornado warning has been issued for the same locations, and the severe thunderstorm warning has been canceled. A tornado warning is now in effect. These line of thunderstorms are capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Don't go outside from seeing or hearing a tornado. For your protection, move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
The current time is 10:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A urgent weather message for the following
On the next all-new episode of Lazarus.
We're going to infiltrate in 2 teams.
Your mission is to catch Sam's eye by putting on a show and wait for his personal invite. If you manage to establish contact with him, lure him to a secluded area. This is his turf, and the last thing we want is for him to run off because we caused a scene.
Stop right there, boy!
These chipmunks got moves. Chip in and stir things up with Alvin and the Chipmunks Chipwrecked.
I like my tail shaken, not stirred.
Alvin and the Chipmunks Chipwrecked. Next Saturday at 8 on Disney Channel. This is a general audience movie.
Hey, what was my speed?
I don't know. I can only track you on the treadmill.
No treadmills.
Oh, what about Hamilton?
Hamilton here.
Who's Hamilton?
My electronic personal assistant. You know, like on your phone. You do have a phone, don't you?
The National Weather Service in Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for Hellertown County, Widner County, Fountain Hill County, Freemansburg County, Bethlehem County, effective until 11:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar have detected two destructive and extremely dangerous tornadoes over Buckstown, one moving at 50 miles per hour, and the other moving 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornadoes with tennis ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damages to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Middletown around 10:30 a.m. Another tornado will be near West Side 10:15 p.m. Interstate 85 between mile markers 146. Interstate 67 between mile markers 108. Interstate 72 between mile markers 116. Repeating, a large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move into a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado warning for Tazewell County, Allentown County, effective until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At around 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar has indicated a large and destructive tornadoes over Dutch Hill, completely moving at 39 miles per hour, and the other moving 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 39 and 40 miles per hour wind gusts and corner-side hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Midway Manor around 1:50 p.m., 6th Ward around 2:04 p.m. Another tornado will be near 10th Ward Old Allentown around 2:09 p.m. Franklin Park around 2:15 p.m. West Park around 2:07 p.m. Interstate 49 between mile markers 120. Interstate 76 between mile markers 254. Interstate 63 between mile markers 118. Repeating, a large and extremely dangerous tornadoes are in the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move into basement or material room in the lowest floor in a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Tornado emergency for South Richmond County. The National Weather Service in Richmond has issued a tornado warning for South Richmond County, effective until 4:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar have indicated a large, two destructive tornadoes coming across the Warren area. These tornadoes are completely moving at 40 and 50 miles per hour, completely moving up across the city, causing destruction through the area. Doppler radar have indicated two more tornadoes coming across the Warren area at 47 and 52 miles per hour, destroying more cities and homes around. And additionally, these tornadoes are been considerably to be at least 98,000 miles wide diameter, 50,000 miles wide diameter, 67,000 miles wide diameter, and 85,000 miles wide diameter, with strong winds and high speed up to 98 miles per hour to 86 miles per hour. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible, leaving up the city more catastrophic havoc throughout the state. For your protection, take cover now. Repeat, a large and extremely dangerous tornadoes are in the ground. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornadoes are in the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.
This is NOAA All Hazards Radio, serving for your area in Virginia. The current time... P.M. mile between mile markers 158. Intrastate mile between mile markers 211 and 184. Intrastate mile between mile markers 247 and 223. Intrastate mile between mile markers 210. Repeating, a large, destruction and deadly tornadoes are in the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move into a basement or a material room in the lowest floor in a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Even if you are outdoors, in a mobile home or a vehicle, move into the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Urgent weather message for the following counties: Adams Farm. The National Weather Service in Greensboro, North Carolina has issued a tornado warning for Adams Farm County, effective until 8:56 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:56 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists have detected extremely dangerous tornadoes over Hilltop, moving at 57, 68, and 83 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous and life-threatening situation. Hazard: tornadoes with tennis ball size hail of 57, 68, and 83 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be severely destroyed from these tornadoes. Considerable damages to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is certainly possible. Locations impacted by this tornadic attack include Idle Acres and Sedgefield Lakes. Take cover immediately. For your protection, moving into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoiding windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for the following counties in Greensboro, North Carolina. Adams Farm, effective until 8:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeat, a large and dangerous tornadoes are on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation and must be taken very seriously. Take cover now. Repeat, take cover now.
is a termination of the tornado emergency for the following areas: New York, Pennsylvania, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida. The following message being transmitted at the request of Federal Emergency Management Agency and in conjunction with the National Weather Service. The situation is now over. The tornadoes that were all over the states of New York, Pennsylvania, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida is now ended. However, massive damage has been reported from this tornado attack. Additionally, National Weather Service meteorologists have confirmed that these tornadoes continue to be tri-state tornadoes. Tri-state tornadoes have destroyed a lot of buildings and homes across these states. Then they will have to be rebuilt in 9 to 8 months. Thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. Regular programming will now resume.